Next Step Toastmasters will be holding their next meeting on Sunday, February 11th, 2024, from 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. This will be at the community room at the San Jose Public Library, the Willow Glen branch. Note that this is not our normal time. We are meeting from 12:30 to 2:30 because this is Super Bowl Sunday and the Super Bowl starts at 3:30 p.m. Pacific time. So we will be meeting on Sunday, February 11th, 2024 from 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. This is going to be a club contests meeting where we will have the international and evaluation speech contests. The international speech can be any speech. In practice, it's usually an inspirational speech, and members will compete for the honor to compete at the area, division, district, and possibly the international level. Toastmasters has an international competition all over the world, not just the U.S., but all over the world, and there's an international meeting of Toastmasters where the very best speakers will meet and compete for the world champion of public speaking position. We also have an evaluation speech contest where members of our club will compete in the quality of evaluations they give to a test speech by a guest speaker. And the best evaluator will speak. They will go on to the area level. The winner at the area level goes to the division level, and then finally to the district level. We are in Toastmasters District 101. We will be meeting at the community room of the San Jose Public Library, Willow Glen branch. This is a picture of the library. We're in the far back. It's a separate room. The library branch is closed on Sundays, but the community room will be open for the Toastmasters meeting. We'll have a banner outside. You want to go to the very back of the library and join us there at the community room. Again, this is from 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. on Sunday, February 11th, 2024. We are going to have our club contests on that day from 12:30 to 2:30 p.m. Please join us if you'd like to see an entertaining set of contests of public speakers. The street address for the San Jose Public Library, Willow Glen branch, is 1157 Minnesota Avenue, San Jose, California, 95152. See the URL in the video. The club website for Next Step Toastmasters is https://nextsteptm, all one word, all lowercase, .toastmastersclubs.org. That is https://nextsteptm.toastmastersclubs.org. Next Step TM is all one word. Next, joined with step, joined with the letters T and M. Next Step TM. Nextsteptm.toastmastersclubs, all one word, .org.